What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Suck My Blood by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only using 4 different chords that just repeat. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I'll start off by showing you essentially the notes that they're picking in the song, if that's the way that you want to play this. They're very simple. You're just picking open E and 2 on G at the same time together. And then 1 on E and 3 on D. So and then they're using a C chord, 3 on A with your ring finger and 2 on D with your middle finger, plugging those at the same time. And then 2 on A and open on D. So now for the chords that you can strum through for the song, it is going to be E minor, which is 2 on A with your middle finger and 2 on D with your ring finger. And then F, you can play the bar chord. I'm playing like the F major 7 version. It's 1 with your thumb on the low E, ring finger 3rd fret A, pinky finger 3rd fret D, middle finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret B. C major, which is ring finger 3rd fret A, middle finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret B. And then G major, which is ring finger 3rd fret E, middle finger 2nd fret A, and your pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Throughout the entire song, it looks like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One will receive a guitar accessories kit and the other will receive a t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. The way you can enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on this video with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going gonna live stream the monthly giveaway winners, and then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna live stream the winner of the acoustic guitar, and you gotta have those notifications turned on to get notified for the live stream. I'm super excited to give away another acoustic guitar. I just gave away one when I hit 50,000 subscribers, and that just reminded me why I'm doing this. It's all for you guys, because if it wasn't for you, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So again, thank each and every one of you so much for all the love, all the support. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a comment on this video with a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we'll see you in the next video.